Hey, it's Greg Luther here, and listen, I want to talk to real estate agents a little bit about why your leads are not converting. And I know if you've been selling real estate for a while, you know this is the case. Nobody takes your calls anymore. Nobody's responding to emails anymore. Frankly, when they do take your call, especially if it's a purchase lead, a lot of times they're, we're not interested. We didn't fill that form out. I don't know what you're talking about. We're not in a big hurry. We're planning to sell in 2 or 3 years. This happens all the time. And one of the biggest reasons for that is the phone is the least effective conversion mechanism available to realtors today. Holy crap, did we just say that? Is that really possible? I know you've been selling real estate for a long time and you think that's not the case. The phone is the least effective conversion device available for us today. Why? Because the mindset they have when their phone rings, the mindset they have when they answer the phone. So I want you to think about this for a second. I want to give you a free resource that'll help you out tremendously with this. So the approach we've always used is let's pay a whole bunch of money to all of these companies that will give me leads. And if they'll give me some leads, I have contact information, which is name, phone number, address, and email. And if I follow up with them, and if I really am tenacious about this, if I call them as often as I can, and email them, and send them drip emails, and do all of that, occasionally I'll get a small percentage of them that are willing to have a conversation with me. And if they're willing to have a conversation with me, I'll then try and set up an appointment where I'll go out to that appointment and then I'll show them how good I am. I'll show them my presentation and I'll show them why they should work with me as a listing agent or as a buyer's agent. You know what the problem is? If you get 100 leads, and you tell me, by the way, tell me if this is true for you, which, by the way, of course, you should be checking in the comments here. Tell me what city and state you're from. You get a lot of referrals in our program here. So tell me if you're from Sacramento, California. I say that we had a agent asking for a Sacramento referral this morning. But anyway, wherever you're from, make sure you check in the comments. But anyway, tell me if this is true. Every time you get a lead, let's say you get 100 leads that come in, be honest, how many of them are actually going to have a phone conversation with you? Be honest about it. Like, even if you call them a few times, how many of 100 will you reach on the phone and have a meaningful conversation with? Can we say it would be like 10? Maybe you're really good. Maybe it's 15. Okay, maybe it's 20. I doubt it, but maybe it's 20. If that's the case, how many of them are going to agree to meet with you? And then those that meet with you and you give a presentation to, how many agree to work with you? Would you say it's 1? Maybe 2? That's the problem we've had in real estate. And what happens is, we're doing all of this effort trying to give them a presentation to show them how good we are. So let me ask you this. What if we flip that on its head? What if we give them the presentation first? What if I actually show them why they should work with me as a buyer's agent, and I have an awesome video presentation that says, here's what we do for you. Here's why you shouldn't be doing it on your own. Here's why you definitely shouldn't be calling the listing agent. If we show that, and we get that to all 100 leads, I'll guarantee you pick up a whole lot more clients, like multiples more clients than you would have gotten the old school way by chasing them. Prospects pursued will run away. So it's your job to find out, how do I get my message in front of more people? We actually shot a buyer video presentation, actually right upstairs in the office here, right up there. In the upstairs office, we shot a video presentation on how to create what we call the ultimate buyer conversion. And what we're doing is showing them, here's why you should work with me, and here's what my offer is in the first place, why you should work with me in lieu of all other agents that are out there. We do it for buyers and we do it for sellers, but this has been working phenomenally well. Because think about this, every single seller that is thinking of selling their home will first be a buyer. They're not going to list with you and then go see, well, where should we move? I don't know. They're going to be sold in hours, so they're a buyer first. You need to pick them up as a buyer and you'll get a double deal. You'll get their listing side and you'll help them on the buy side. So I created like a little, 15-minute training video on this. It's brand new. It's an awesome training. And I actually show you a small portion of that video presentation to give you an idea of how to do that. If you go to ultimatebuyerconversion.com, and that should be in the description here somewhere. I know sometimes my team is watching when I'm live, so if you could type that in the comments here, www.ultimatebuyerconversion.com. When you go there, you'll see a little opt-in. You just got to put in your email address, but it'll play like a 15-minute, 18-minute training to show you how agents are converting them much better, and you'll see a little clip of exactly what that presentation looks like so you can copy that yourself. And if you start doing that, If you lead with presentation, you're going to pick up a whole lot more clients. So again, let me give you that path. You don't want to pay money to get leads, to try to call them, to set up a meeting so that you can give a presentation. No, give a presentation so they call you and want you to meet with them. They already know what you do. They already know what you offer. They already know how everything works. They've decided that they want to work with you. So I want you to think about that. And this is something that will get you busy, even if you haven't been doing a lot of business lately. We already know we are in the middle of the hottest real estate market in the history of ever. Since the Louisiana Purchase, it has never been as hot as it is right now. You're going to see loser agents talking about, well, ever since COVID hit, dude, there's 20 offers on every house. What are you talking about, COVID? We have never been in a hotter real estate market. You're just sitting at home. You're licensed, but you're not practicing. There's no sense in having something. Let me show you something. I'm going to give you a little peek here. Look over here. Can you see that? That's a treadmill that never gets used. What's the point of having something if you don't use it? I could probably hang clothes on it or something, right? Why have a real estate license? Why have a really good offer? Why be the best realtor that they could use if you're not actually promoting it to the public? If you're only showing it to one of every 100 leads, one of every 100 meets you and sees how good you are, why would you do that? You want to show it to as many people as possible. So I created a quick little video training to show you exactly how to do it. You'll even see a clip of a buyer presentation that we send to all leads. Unconverted leads, old leads, past clients, sphere of influence. Agents are posting it to their Facebook page, running some ads to it, and picking up clients. Some of these need to sell a home, say at $300,000, and buy for $500,000. Or if you're in California, maybe they sell for $800,000 and buy for $2 million. Depends on where you're at for price range, obviously. But this is a really cool way for you to start picking up more clients without needing to beg for business, cold calling, door knocking, calling old leads, trying emails and bombs and all this other crap that people have been doing. They do not receive it in the right mindset. When their phone rings, they're PO'd. So it's your job. Just get them the information. You don't need to meet with them to show them how good you are. Watch that video and see how simple it is to pick up buyers and pick up sellers as well. So watch that quick video, ultimatebuyerconversion.com. You'll need to put in your email address. I've already got your email address. You see my stuff all the time. I got you pixeled like you'll see me again tomorrow. But this is a really cool approach. Just drop in your email address. You'll see, I don't know, it's a 15-minute video. And one of those minutes, about a minute and a half, I show you a clip from a buyer conversion video that's working really, really well. So check it out. I think you'll find it incredibly helpful. Anything I can do to help you in growing your business. You know, we've got, obviously, with so many agents involved with Greg Luther Inner Circle, we see a lot of stuff that's working really well. I want to share it with you. I want you to have it. I want you to start using that stuff. So this is a really cool approach. It'll kind of get your creative juices flowing. I think you'll be pretty impressed with what it can create for you. So check it out right now, ultimatebuyerconversion.com. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do. But you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos, and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.